The modern tech landscape is a high-speed, multi-platform ecosystem. As data streams fragment and hardware requirements diversify, developers who can bridge these gaps have moved from a preference to a necessity. Industry leaders are now looking for hybrid profiles. They require developers who can write high-performance code, manage cross-functional teams, and integrate emerging AI technologies into production-ready software. Malwinder Singh has spent the last 8 years building this specific profile. His experience spans the life cycle of a tech lead, moving from mobile development into web systems and machine learning. Building a developer with this range involves a specific kind of technical evolution. How you satisfy the rigid requirements of enterprise giants while simultaneously launching experimental tech startups. Analyzing Malwinder's expertise requires a forensic deconstruction of his capabilities into a 3-tiered tech stack. The foundation of this stack is built on native development. Starting in 2014, Malwinder specialized in the Android ecosystem, mastering Kotlin and handling hardware-level communication through Android APIs like BLE and NFC. He scaled this native experience into cross-platform mastery. As a Flutter expert, he uses the Dart language to deploy a single codebase across iOS, Android, and web environments without sacrificing performance. For backend stability, he integrates Firebase Studio and the Google Cloud Console. These tools allow him to manage real-time databases and scalable cloud functions across his entire mobile and web portfolio. This foundation ensures the user-facing layer remains responsive and scalable, regardless of the device or operating system the end user is running. Above the UI sits the logic layer. As Malwinder moved into leadership roles at companies like Firmenich and NetSmarts, his focus expanded from writing code to architecting the systems that govern it. This flowchart demonstrates his block and MVVM patterns. These isolate business logic from the user interface, ensuring secure data processing. This architectural rigor enables stability in projects like Omron Connect and Emerson Go Reader, processing massive enterprise data payloads without bottlenecks. To maintain this level of stability, he employs root cause analysis throughout the project lifecycle. This systematic approach allows him to identify and resolve underlying structural issues before they impact the final deployment. By focusing on structural logic, he transforms from a solo developer into a technical architect capable of managing immense complexity for global industrial leaders. The final layer of the stack is the edge. He future-proofs builds by integrating artificial intelligence and machine learning into his development workflow. He uses Google ML Kit and Gemini AI Studio to build practical applications, such as his AI recipe assistant. These projects serve as a testing ground for how generative AI can enhance mobile and web user experiences. His work extends into physical hardware as well. Through his drone technology startup, spdrone.tech, he is exploring how software-driven intelligence can control and optimize hardware in the field. He cycles this research back into the industry. He shares technical insights through Medium articles and contributes globally on Stack Overflow. This layer of the stack demonstrates that he is actively engineering new solutions, rather than just implementing existing ones, driving innovation within his own projects and the wider developer community. Viewed as a whole, the foundation, the logic, and the edge operate as a single, unified system. This stack allows him to bridge two very different worlds: the rigorous process maturity required for CMMI Level 3 certified enterprise projects, and the rapid prototyping speed of a startup founder. It represents a self-optimizing loop. He identifies emerging technologies, builds scalable architectures, and teaches the community. Based in Mohali, India, Malwinder is reachable at malwinder.sagu@outlook.com or by phone at +91 9780 610 273. The future of digital solutions requires architects who can navigate the entire stack, from the codebase to the cloud. Malwinder Singh is ready to build it.